In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate Zoho Books with Shopify quickly and easily. This integration helps automate your bookkeeping by syncing Shopify orders, taxes, and customer data directly into Zoho Books. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Zoho Books website. Log in to your Zoho Books account to access your dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Settings and then look for the Connections section. This is where you can connect Zoho Books with third-party platforms like Shopify. Inside the Connections section, click on New Connection and search for Shopify from the list of available integrations. Now select Shopify and click Create and Connect. You'll be asked to enter your Shopify store details and authorize the connection between Shopify and Zoho Books. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once connected, Zoho Books will automatically sync important Shopify data such as sales transactions, customer information, taxes, refunds, and fees. After the integration is complete, you can monitor sync transactions directly from your Zoho Books dashboard and generate accounting reports more efficiently. This setup helps reduce manual data entry, saves time, and makes managing your business finances much easier. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Zoho Books with Shopify. Thanks for watching.